What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Come join our private investment community on Facebook. We got over 6,300 active investors here. I need y'all to rock with me real quick. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We trying to push to that 30K subscriber mark, so I would definitely appreciate if y'all rock with me. We got 49% of the people watching the channel still yet to subscribe. Now, you want to learn this information because I'm showing y'all things and tools like this that'll help you make better investment decisions. Now, come follow me on Twitter at December DeMarco, and let's get straight into this of why I feel we shouldn't panic just yet when it comes, well, at all. I won't be panicking, but to new investors who don't understand how to look at the chart, this is why I feel we don't really have too much to worry about as far as for the short term. So and on a longer term scale, I'm completely bullish on SHIB. So let's take a look at the price of the markets real quick. I'm gonna teach y'all how to use a new indicator. So right now the overall market is at 1.9 trillion, up 0.2% right now. Bitcoin at that 41,000 level, ETH at 3,000 still. We got BNB at 421, and let's just get straight on down to SHIB now. So also, ApeCoin was going crazy today too. Congratulations to y'all that got in on ApeCoin. It went back right around all-time highs. So taking a look at SHIB, right? Things, if we take a closer look in where we are now, things can look a little shaky. So let's go in with a closer look on the 4-hour chart. So right now we're looking from April 1st to until now. So you can come grab this indicator called the parabolic SAR. What this is a trend indicator that will basically help you determine the momentum of the trend and what's happening right now. So if you notice these dots on most platforms you use, if you look up parabolic SAR or type in SAR and they pull it up, most times you'll see it show on the chart as these dotted lines like this. And what this does is shows you the trend. So like, let's take a look at the chart. We can see here, let's take a look at these dots. When the dot is underneath the candlesticks, that signals that the trend is moving up. The trend is bullish. And when you see the dots flip above the candle, it signals that the trend has become bearish. So notice how right here we got the dots underneath. Let me zoom in a little closer actually. So if y'all can see right here, each of these dots are underneath the candles here. But notice when the dots flip above it right here, that's when the price begins to move a little lower. So actually, you gotta watch for this. Sometimes it's not 100% accurate, but let's take a look at this point right here. So what you want to wait for is candles to close as well to make sure you have confirmation. So let's look at an example of that. The dots are underneath it right here. It let us know that the trend was moving upwards. Now, some people will be wondering, like, how do you know when it's all over with? How can you get an idea? And that's from using this indicator. Once the dots flipped up here, we can see that this high that we made started to move lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. So all the way through the chart, notice again here, when the dots are underneath, so at the top part, some people short up here. Once you see the dots flip to the top of the candles, some people open up short positions and go long once the dots flip below the candles. And once you see the dots flip, the price is pushing down, the dots are still above the candle, pushing it down. Once you see the dots flip right here, that lets you know that it's a chance that the price is likely to move up. Now, it doesn't let you know how long that's going to last for, because it's basically like a quick indicator that's going to happen like right as the momentum is moving. So right here again, we get indication that the price wants to push down. Now notice the dots are on top of the candles. The price pushes down a little bit, but then we get these couple dots here that basically mislead us a little bit. So that's why you want to wait for some confirmation. Then the dots continue up here, showing us that the price or the momentum is continuing to push down. And then as the dots flip down here, we can see the momentum pushes back up from where we were at this low point. So that's just something I wanted to show y'all real quick. And looking at this, we can see that the dots are still underneath the candles here. So it's showing that right now, just, in the short term, that the momentum is still bullish, even though, it's feeling rough right now. The price is seeming stuck, like it's not really moving. But what I told y'all, you know, how to pay attention to what's really happening with, you know, some whale activity and what's really happening as far as are people still buying, you can look at the trading value. You see the trading volume is up 15% today. It's not too abnormal. You know, normally we would like to see something where we know that they're going crazy with about 50 to, you know, 60% over a normal day. But, you know, we can see that, you know, it's still green. So even though other things are red here, people are still trading a lot of sheep and the momentum is still bullish. Now, when you see these candle or these dots flip above the candle, then you can know the price or the momentum has shifted and it's likely to push down until we see those dots flip back underneath the candle. So hopefully that was helpful for y'all. Now remember, this is not 100% accurate or else everybody would be rich, but if you take a look at the chart, just for the most part, you can notice the trend moving the same way the dots move. So once you play around with this and, you know, work with it for a little while, you'll start to, you know, understand how to use it and just add it to your current strategy and your current technical analysis that you already use. So that's all we got for this video. If y'all are interested in getting my technical analysis course, reach out to me via email, decemberdemarco@gmail.com. You'll learn how to use indicators like this, tools, understand candlesticks, charts, chart patterns, etc. Also, my stock options trading course is available. If you would like to learn how to trade options and day trade, you can reach out to me for that, decemberdemarco@gmail.com. And then we got the crypto 101 course that will teach you all the basics, you know, things that you need to know about crypto and how to find projects, etc. So that's decemberdemarco@gmail.com. That's all we got for this video, and we are out.